Confused, where we answer real homeowner questions. Today, we are going to focus on triple pane windows. And as always, we have a chance to stump dunk.
It's painfully obvious that that will not happen.
Oh, goodness. Here we go. Okay, question number 1. How much more do triple pane windows cost compared to dual pane?
Yep, that is a very spicy question. No, it is, but it's hard to generalize because every window project is so different. But generally speaking, you can expect a 15 to 50% price increase for triple pane windows over dual pane.
What?
Yep.
You are kidding. That's pretty significant, actually.
It is significant.
Kind of knowing that and knowing how expensive it is, what do you recommend?
I recommend that you get a detailed quote, laying out all of your options before you make a decision and see if it's the right thing for you to do, because every project's going to be different.
Always a great idea. Question number 2. Do triple pane windows require special installation?
Not really. That's a common misconception, but triple pane windows are very much like dual pane windows, with one big exception. They're heavier. You've got a third more glass, and that can be, depending on the size of the window, quite an additional amount of poundage, as you might call it. There are some special adjustments, that might need to be made, but weight is one of the bigger problems.
Okay, well, I can completely understand that, and that makes definitely a lot of sense. I mean, installation of a window is a window, but weight can definitely factor into that. And at the end of the day, you really want to have a good installation team. Otherwise, that can definitely be a pain in the future.
How did I not see that one coming?
Question number 3. Can triple pane windows fog or fail like dual pane windows?
That's a good question. Yes.
Okay, can you elaborate?
I can. So with triple pane windows, you have an additional layer of glass and an additional airspace. So there is a possibility that that will fog also. But the risks are really not that much higher than having a dual pane window. There are more points of entry, more seals, but generally about the same.
Okay, that makes sense. So would it be fair to assume then that the manufacturer or the installer does sort of impact whether or not the window would fail or not?
Yes, I would. Two things. Number one, the manufacturer, if they have a really good window, they should have a good warranty with it. And you want to make sure that you're having them installed by professionals that are actually qualified to do that, so that they don't create issues by putting windows out of square, which actually will create tension and cause that to happen. Got it.
That makes a lot of sense. Okay. Yeah, I definitely think that makes a lot of sense. And I'm glad you didn't add any more pain puns, because that would be a pain in my side.
I actually forgot to mention no pain, no gain.
Oh, God. He did it anyways.
I had to. I think we're being a pain in the glass.
Well, if we keep with these pain puns, nobody's going to watch the rest of this video.
Well, there's always the next episode.
Well, I suppose we didn't get to stump dunk. It's a sad day. Thank you, everyone, for watching Glazed.
Duncan knows best.
No. I think we'll stick with glazed and confused, and stump dunk. So don't forget, everyone, if you want your chance to try to stump this guy, go onto our website. That's newmanwindows.com/stay glassy. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Submit your question and let's stump this guy, because there is no way I'm going to Dunkin' Knows Best.